Well, hi everybody, welcome back, and a Happy New Year. It's Monday, January 2nd, and I finished this Revell kit, the 34 Ford Street Rod, the Snap-Tite kit. Came out pretty well. I got the gloss black paint with the red interior. It's a really nice kit, not too many parts, so it goes together quickly and it just pushes together, so which is kind of nice because one of the problems I have was when getting the car all painted and then trying to fit all the parts on and scratching the paint and so on. So I've got it all done up here, the chassis, and it just goes in with those two screws on the bottom, a little bit of detail painting and some flat black on the chassis. I've got it, it comes with stickers rather than decals, so I just put the license plate and the two tail light stickers on, and the dash, there's a sticker on the dash. I'm just going to coat it with Future. This black paint is really hard, it shows every little speck and mark. And even as it's sitting here, it's picking up every little fleck of dust. I've been trying to brush it off, clean it off there, but all the dust is sticking to it. So I'm just going to seal it with Future and put it in a case as quick as I can. Get it closed up, so get the dirt off. I'll have a few pictures, stills following. Turned out the way I wanted, turned out really nice. So the headlights on, and that's number 24 for the year 2022. So I'll be looking for something else to start the 2023 year off with a new build. So thanks for following along. I appreciate all my followers and subscribers, and hope you all have a blessed week. Bye for now.